Go ahead and spin this boat around real quick. Got a little space over here. Gonna wheel hard to my right. Just trying to avoid these outboards. Back to neutral, wheel hard to my left and reverse. And again, I'm not using any throttle. I'm trying to stay as slow as I can in here. Now, if I had somebody else on board here, it'd be nice because they could help me with a dock pole perhaps. I'm wheel to my right and forward. I've got just a few feet on each side. I wheel all the way to my left and reverse. And again, I just need to have a couple feet. It looks like I got a couple back there. Wheel all the way to my right and forward. And I've got like 2 or 3 feet up at the bow there. Back to neutral. Wheel all the way to my left and reverse.